how to set a preferred driver gender on Lyft. Well, the Lyft application does not currently allow riders to choose a preferred driver gender for standard rides. Some cities offer Women Plus Connect feature, which is a separate optional feature for eligible users only. And if you want to check that feature, what you're going to do is inside the Lyft app, you're going to go to your profile over here. And inside your profile, you want to simply tap on get 50% off on your next 3 rides to join the Lyft Pink program. You want to simply tap on Lyft Pink program, and on the Lyft Pink program as well. Only some cities offer the Women Plus Connect feature, which is a separate optional feature, as I said, for only eligible users. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.